corner of a tie and no bar shall be further than 6 inch in from such a laterally supported bar. এখানে দেওয়া আছে যে এস ম্যাক্স ইকুয়াল টু সূত্রগুলো এখান থেকে আমরা বসে নিয়ে করতে পারি। এখানে যে এরকম বার দিয়ে টাই করে দেওয়া আছে। স্পাইরাল কলাম when high straight and or high ductility are required, strength and ductility are required, the bar are placed in a circle and the ties are replaced by a bar based into a helix or spiral. Such a column are called a spiral column. Spiral columns are generally circular after alternate square or polygonal shape are seldom used. The spiral acts to restrain the lateral expansion at the column under high axial load. In doing so, delays the failure of the for making the column more ductile. Are used more exhaustively in seismic region. Maximum spacing হচ্ছে 3 inch or 1/6 of the core dia. The core is the part of the section located with the outer circumference. Spiral minimum spacing হচ্ছে 1 inch. DC হচ্ছে D into D minus হচ্ছে 2 into CC. Behavior of tied and spiral column. Tied and spiral roughly the width of the column apart and as a result provide relatively little reference to the core. Outward pressure on the sides of the tie due to the lateral expansion of the core merely bends them outward, developing on insignificant hook stress effect. Hence the normal tire have little effect on the strength of the tie of the core in a tight column. That too এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের টাইট কলামের সিস্টেম, আর এটা হচ্ছে অন্য একটি কলাম হয়ে যাবে হবে। The initial part of the arms are similar as the max load is replaced vertically crack and crushing develop in the concrete shell outside the tire spiral and this concrete spirals off. When this occurs in a field column, the capacity of the core that remains is less than the load of the column. The concrete core is, and as a result the column can undergo large deformation, eventually reducing a second maximum load when the spirals yield and the column are given finally collapse. When the shell spills at a spiral column, the column clear not fail immediately because the strength of the core has been enhanced by the triaxial stress resulting from the effect of the spiral reinforcement. Such a failure is much than at a feed column and given warning at the impending failure along the possible redistribution of other members.